Hello everyone, this is the step-by-step procedure how to get your zipper here to zipping smoothly. And the only thing you need is just a candle, and the candle it have wax. From the wax you use this to rub. First is you're gonna keep rubbing like that. You keep rubbing between the zipper like that. Okay, you keep rubbing it, and then you unzip it right here. Then you remove the zipper, and then you do this side, this end right here, like that. Just take your time and rubbing it. You're on the other end. You turn it over, and this end right here, and then you keep rubbing the wax onto the zipper, because when you washing a lot, it dry up the little grease. There is a thin film of grease on the zipper here, on the plastic part or the metal part, especially the metal zippers. Okay, so once you do that, you do all that, then now you put it, lock it back in. Then there it is. It's gonna be easy. See, very easy. It's very smooth. Now the difference between this part right here and this part, because this does not have wax, so it's very smooth. Not smoother than the other part. Okay. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and put a comment. Thank you. Bye.